Okay, since we lost track of our topics anyway, let's talk about. Uh, of course, we've got one more thing to talk about after this, but who do you feel are the most underrated players in the IPL right now? हाँ ऋषि समझा.
See, I know someone who is highly underrated, but he's not playing in IPL right now.
I know where this is going.
I mean,
Actually,
he
Rishi,
has his college stuff and all
I
going
am
on.
playing in the IPL. I don't know what you're talking about. Hashtag.
Oh yeah, true. So I think it has to be Pradyumna and no one else.
PPP.
Yeah. Okay, actually underrated player कौन है? I don't know, man. कौन है?
Yeah,
I
underrated. Like
my pick is easy. For me, it's Rahul Tewari.
I would say Manoj Tiwari for me. Manoj Tiwari is like very underrated.
I don't know, bro. I feel Rahul.
Yes.
Boys.
Subhash, I am there for
Representation.
RTB representation. Da.
Hmm?
See, the reason I feel Rahul Tiwari because okay, sure, he may not be able to anchor an innings. He is never able to anchor an innings, in fact. But any position you send him at, if he opens, if he's coming one down, if he comes two down, if he comes three down, four down, five down, six down, if he comes six down,
Yeah,
it is guaranteed that he is going to give you three sixes, two fours, and he'll get out without wasting balls. And I feel that is such an underrated quality in IPL in general. Any player
So do you want to
that
say?
needs to be valued.
So do you want to say the minimum run he scores is 26?
तो अभी क्या
yeah, but Pradyumna. But like Rahul Tiwari played really good for Rising Pune Super Giant, no? Like as an opener, like when Steve Smith was a captain,
Yeah,
like
he has
he
played
played really
for
good. Like
RPS and he has played
yeah,
for
Rajasthan Royals.
Rajasthan Royals.
Rajasthan, like they're wasting him for a fact. Like they don't know where to play him also. Like I think this time they might be clear. They might send him opening because Ajinkya Rahane is not there, so we might open with Robin Uthappa or someone.
So wait, you guys think that there are no underrated players in IPL?
See,
I think
like
Manoj Tiwari, Manoj Tiwari is like very underrated.
I don't know about Manoj Tiwari because Manoj Tiwari is more of a
He
ODI
did really
player
good for
than a
KKR
T20
also.
player.
Yeah, like he did really good for KKR also in 2012. Their maiden cup. He was there with Shakibul Hassan and like he played really good. Like he gave a stand. That's what like changed the game. When Jack Callis got out, they thought like Chennai might win easily because like it was Shakibul Hassan and a new batsman. But this guy played really good and they made like what 16 runs from
But then
six
again, that is
balls
way back when.
against
We are
Bravo
talking about 2020.
2012. Yeah, but the thing like
wow,
our
such a
BCCI is
great,
BCCI. They don't give chance also.
such a great thing talking
Okay,
about
you know what?
2012 in 2020.
I would agree with you that at one point Manoj Tiwari should have been picked by the BCCI for India.
Yeah,
But I don't think there is any case to make for Manoj Tiwari being in an IPL team right now.
I don't
I
know
mean,
how
he
in which team
hasn't
he is also.
he hasn't performed that well. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know which team also he is in. So, yeah,
Which team is Manoj Tiwari? And I think he went
yeah,
unsold, right?
unsold. Yeah, unsold. Yeah, he went unsold.
I remember he tweeted complaining about it as well.
Yeah, it's so weird. I seriously can't think about someone I feel is underrated.
I feel there are a lot
Yeah,
of players in IPL actually.
like
See, it's like there's
I think
almost
Namunoja.
everyone.
Namanoja, yeah, after one point I felt he just wasn't picked anymore, which is kind of sad.
Yeah,
No, but
he
I
did really
think,
good for Sunrisers.
yeah, he was good, but then he was very inconsistent with his bat. very inconsistent. Like there was this one season he played really well and people were like, oh, he'll play good, he do stuff.
Yeah.
But then after that he started getting out.
Another guy that I felt was kind of unfairly not picked after a certain point of time is Pragyan Ojha. Pragyan Ojha was like the guy.
Yeah.
He was basically on the same level as Amit Mishra. He could get you wickets, and those wickets were guaranteed at a low economy rate. I feel he was chucked out of the game too early, and then he retired, of course.
See, also one player, I wouldn't call him like something he underrated, overrated, or whatever, but one player who improved a lot, even though he was old, but then he wasn't rated even after he improved. I think it's Yusuf Pathan. Like the
Pathan,
way,
yeah.
Definitely.
the way he developed from that आके छक्का मार के out होके जाएगा to that one holding.
सकता है वो.
Yeah, कि हाँ. I mean that turnover was great, but then again in his last season he was again inconsistent. But then you have to understand that age is a factor that plays a major role. But then that the 3 years that he had was insane, man. Insane.
I feel
Well,
another
Yuvraj Singh,
underrated player we can talk about, right, would be Murli Vijay. I feel Murli Vijay, okay, he's given enough credit for his performances for Chennai up to 2015, but then post 2015, I do not see Murli Vijay playing enough for Chennai, and I feel there are so many situations where Murli Vijay could have played instead of X player. He can open. He can comes at one certain point at the middle order and anchor the innings also sometimes. I feel for that.
I just
he should be picked.
But like, if you look like that, like even Yuvraj Singh, like he was like highest bid by RCB 16 crores. After that, he went to Delhi, then Sunrisers, then Mumbai. Like even in Sunrisers, they didn't give him proper chance. Like then he came to Mumbai, and now he's like unsold in last auction.
See, it's like
so even Yuvraj Singh is underrated.
See, it's like him not getting chance. It's because of his inconsistency. Like no doubt, he was great when he was at his prime, but then when you buy someone for 16 crores, you expect him to deliver for at least
16 crores.
And like for at least 10 matches out of the 14 matches. Like it's okay if you get out in 0, 1 or 2, but then don't do that often. Like, I mean, I understand it's not even in his hand. He got valued at 16 crore, but then there are certain expectations with money, and then when people don't live up to it, then they are just not being played. Who else knows it better than me, who's a Mesut Ozil fan? Okay, let's not get there.
Shout out to all the Jaydev Unadkat fans.
Hey, he played. Okay, he played. He played as well.